Now, since you know how to open images in Adobe Photoshop, I want you to go to the resource section and download the resource, which are basically some JPEG files, and we'll learn transformation in Photoshop with those JPEG files. In case you forgot, go to File and say Open, and go to the location where you have saved the downloaded resource and select these image files. You can hold Ctrl and select multiple files like this and just say Open. And now before we move ahead with transformation, I want you to go to Window and say Workspace and select Essential. If it is already selected, I want you to say Reset Essential. And you should see something like this on your screen. And you can simply click on these double arrows over here and collapse everything to get a larger space. You'll learn more about Workspace in the next session, but right now I want you to go to Window and locate Layers, or you can even hit F7 on the keyboard and you should get the Layers panel like this. Now for the recording purpose, I'm dragging this in the center so that you see the activity very clearly. Otherwise you don't have to drag like that, and collapse all these panels which we don't need. Now we are not learning about layers panel. Remember, we have a very detailed elaborated lesson on the layers panel, and you're going to learn every small detail about the layers panel. But right now we are here to do a small transformation. So when you open the JPEG files, you see the JPEG file thumbnail over here, which is a layer 1. This is a default layer and it will always be named as background. That's the default name of that layer, and it will also always have this lock icon. In order to transform this image, you need to unlock this, and simple, you just click on this lock icon and it will get unlocked. And if you're using a very old version of Adobe Photoshop, you probably need to double click on that. So just click it and it will get unlocked. All the icons you see, everything is activated now, and the name also change as layer 0. That's the default name for the first layer. By the way, you can double click and rename that, but not right now. Just leave it like that, and this image is now ready for transformation.